Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. We are just on the previous videos, we are just ongoing on the chapter lesson number 2, that is polynomials. So in that we have just seen all the identity up to the 7th. Okay students, now we will see the identity number 8. Now what is the identity number 8? In that you have to just consider x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square and minus xy yz minus xy minus yz minus zx. So you have to just consider this and now we have to multiply this. So how we will multiply this? We will multiply this. First of all, we will multiply with x the whole bracket. So how we will multiply? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz plus minus zx. Then we will multiply this bracket with y. So plus y x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, and then after we will multiply this with z. So plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay students, now what we will do is we will multiply this one by 1. How we will multiply? See students, this x into x, x cube plus x y square plus x z square minus x square y, then minus x y z. Now with this x minus x square z. So this is our first bracket, then plus now we'll multiply with y with x square, that is x square y, then with y square, so plus y cube plus with z, so y z square, then with x y minus x y square minus y square z minus x y z. So this is our second bracket which have multiplied with y. Now with the z we will multiply with z, so plus z we will multiply with z, so z with x square, that is x square z, plus with y square z, plus with z square, so z cube minus xy, so minus xyz, then yz minus yz square. Okay students, next is minus xz square. So this we have multiplied with x, y and z. Now what we will do is students, what we get? Now we will take out this from the brackets. Here there is no space, so I am just rubbing these brackets. Okay students, so this we have just take out from the brackets. there will be no sign change because we have to do plus only. So there is no sign change. If there is minus, then we have to open the bracket and change the sign. Okay students, now what we will do, there is a x cube, y cube, z cube. We will take out how we will take out? Can anybody tell me, students? Can anybody tell me, students, how we will take out this? We will not take it common. We will just bring further which x cube, y cube, z cube. We will take it further. Okay students. So now what will be there? Let us see that. X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay students, x cube, y cube and z cube. Okay, now what will happen? X y square plus x minus x square y plus, it will be cut on. Okay students, x z square. Okay students, x z square, can we find that? Yes, here in the x square z here and this one here, plus minus, so it is cut off. Next, x square y, so we will find over this. Here it is minus x square y, here it is plus x square y, so it is cut down. Next, minus x square z, so it will be here in the z, so x square z here minus and here plus, so it is cut. Now what here, y square z, so in this it is minus y square z, so it is cut down. And next, y square z, here it is, so it is cut. The remaining is minus xyz, minus xyz and minus xyz. It is 3 times. So we will write this 3xyz. Okay students, we will write this as 3xyz. So we get this term. So we get the identity number 8, which is, see here in your textbook page number 48, identity number 8. This is equal to, we can expand this as x plus y plus z into the bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. We can expand this as identity number 8. Okay students, first of all what we have do, we have multiplied this with x with this bracket. So this is the first, we have multiplied this with x, and then we have multiplied y with this bracket, so it is here, and then we have multiplied z with that bracket, so it is here. Then we have just solve it, x into x square, that is x cube, x into y square, that is plus xy square. In that we have done in all this, and then we just cut these. Here it is plus xy square, then here it is minus xy square. So according to that we have cut, and in last we have just get is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So we can expand this as it. Okay students, please note down this. Have you noted down this students? Now we will solve the example number 25. So first of all, please read the question of example number 25 students. So here we have to factorize 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Okay students, let us do that. Example number 25. Factorize 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Okay students, so we will do this according to the identity number 8. So first of all we will write the identity number 8. What was it? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, first of all students, write down by your own. What will come? X plus y plus z into the bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay students, so we have to form this according to this. So first of all students, try by yourself, then after I am solving this. So how we will solve it first? X cube. So 8x cube we can write 2x cube plus, in y cube we can write y the whole bracket cube plus 27z cube. So 27 is a 27's cube root is 3z cube. Okay students, now what is there? Minus 3, x is 2x, y is y, z is 3z. Okay students, from this we can get it 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, x y z, x y z. Okay, now what we will do students? Do it further by yourself. Now we will put the values of x, y, z, x, y, z. Here we will put all the values. Let us do that. So here first of all x, y plus z. Okay students. So what is the value of x? That is 2x, plus what is the value of y? That is y only. What is the value of z? That is 3z. Then here in this bracket, x square, what is x? That is 2x the whole square. So it is x square plus y square, that is y the whole square. What is the value of z? That is 3z the whole square. And then what we have to do? Minus x y, minus 2x y, then minus yz. What is y? That is y. And what is z? That is 3z. And then minus zx. So 3z into 2x. Now solve this, students. This bracket will be as it is. And in this bracket what will happen? Two x square, that is 4x square, plus y square, that is y square, plus 3z the whole square, that is 3 square is 9z square, minus 2x into y, that is 2x y, minus y into 3z, that is 3yz, and minus 3z into 2x, that is 3 2s are 6 x z or zx. You can write both. So this is the simplification of the x, 2x whole square y whole square plus 3z square minus 2xy. So 2xy minus y into 3z minus 3z into 2x. Okay, students, this is the simplification. Please note down. Now we have just over this chapter. So now what we will do, we will solve some of the exercise problems of identity number 8. Let us see that. See here, in the exercise 2.5, according to the identity number 8, we have a sum that is factorized. Question number 11, that is factorized 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. I am writing the question over here. Question 11 of exercise 2.5. So what is the question? Factorize factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Okay students, let us do this sum. So first of all we will write the its so 27x cube. So if we take the cube root of 27, that is 3x into the whole square plus what is the cube root of y, that is y only, and what is the cube root of z, that is z only, and minus 3, what is x, 3x, what is y, that is y, and what is z, that is z. Now what we will do, first of all we will write the identity number 8. So what is identity number 8, that is, how we will write, first of all write by yourself students. It is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So how can it be factorized? So it can be factorized as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay students, now we will put the values of x, y and z in this equation. So what is the value of x here, that is 3x, plus what is the value of y, that is y, what is the value of z, that is z. We have just completed this first bracket and now we will go further in the second bracket, that is x square. What is the value of x? Value of x is 3x the whole square. What is the value of y? That is y. What is the value of z? That is z. Now minus x. So x value is 3x and y value is y. Then y and z. So what is the value of y? That is y, and what is the value of z? That is z. Now minus zx. What is the value of z? It is z, and what is the value of x? That is 3x. Okay students, so this we have completed the second bracket. Now we will further simplify it and we get the answer. So what will be the answer? 3x plus y plus z. 3x plus y plus z. And next in the another bracket, 3x the whole square, that is 3 3s are 9x square plus y square, that is y square, plus z square, that is z square, minus 3x into y, that is 3xy, minus y into z, that is yz, minus z into 3x, that is 3zx or xz. You can write both. This is the another bracket and our answer of this factorized 27 x cube y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Please note down this students. Here the another one example, question number 12. In that you have to verify. Let us do the example number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12. That is, in that we have to verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus x 3x yz is equal to, no, we will not write that, we will just solve this equation by this method. So in that what we will do, first of all, here I forgot to write the z cube, so that is z cube x the whole cube plus y the whole cube plus z the whole cube minus 3x y z. Okay students, we get the values of x, y and z. Now we will put this in equation. Let us put that values. So here x value is x, only x plus y plus z. We get that. Now x square, that is x square plus y square plus z square. Okay students, then minus xy minus yz minus zx. We get this. Okay, according to the identity number 8, we get this. Now further, what you have to do, see here in the textbook, then an equation is given. See question number 12, verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half x plus y plus z into the bracket x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. Can anybody tell me how it can be happen? Please first of all try by yourself. So students, this way we get the answer. Now we have to check the RHS. Just we have checked the LHS, left hand side. Now we will solve the RHS. You have to solve the RHS. Let us solve that. So what is now RHS? RHS is equal to half x plus y plus z x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. Okay students, now we have to solve this. First of all, try it by your own in your homework. Okay students, you have to try this RHS by your own in the homework. I am writing your homework over here. In that you have to write the examples, the example number 25 in your example book, example 25 in your example book, and the another all the sums which are remaining of exercise 2.5 in your fair book. If you have any doubts in any of the sum, you can message me. Okay students, if the that sum has more doubts, like all of have that doubt, then I will take this that sum in the next video. Okay students, up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.